And now your weather from News 9.
Well, as we get into June and July, the jet stream lifts north. And look at this, folks. Look at the supercell rotating thunderstorm. That is the entire mesocyclone right there. And there you go. There is the tornado on the ground. This is just outside Laramie, Wyoming this evening. Check out that shot. That's the same tornado, just a lot closer. Look at the fudge swirl going on and look at the tornado. Look at all the dust in the air surrounding the actual. You can't even see the condensate. You can't even see the cone in there because of all the dust rotating around that earlier today. How about that, right? Okay, so that now has turned into a big glob of storms now coming into Nebraska. It's sliding to the southeast. More on that coming up. And a few more storms in southwest Kansas and our panhandle way out here north of Boise City. These are moving more northeasterly. And then what's in northwestern Kansas is going to try very hard to make the turn as it's doing now, head south and east, and make its way towards northern Oklahoma, arriving tomorrow morning early. Right now, the timeline, Alva at about 7:45 in the morning, Cherokee 8 o'clock in the morning, Fairview about 9 o'clock, Ponca City at about 9:18. Again, these times will change some, but Robin and Jed will have the very latest tomorrow morning starting at 4 a.m. on this as it's hopefully coming into Oklahoma. We could use some of that rain. We might have a little severe weather with that, so we'll be tracking that carefully as well. Temperatures today, it was hot, 93 in Oklahoma City. Altus, you did it again, 197 up in Alva. Wow, 81 degrees in Oklahoma City right now with a southeast wind at 11. It still feels like 84 degrees with a dew point temperature of 71. So it is still very moist out there. And the atmosphere actually is fairly unstable. So if those storms do make it in here tomorrow morning into tomorrow, well, they're going to have at least the threat of being strong to maybe severe with some wind and hail. Right now, low 80s. We have upper 80s in the southwest. It is very warm with a southeast breeze. And again, it's pretty muggy. Now, the jet stream right now, it's weak, but notice what the flow is. This is at the jet stream level, coming across Kansas and then diving into Oklahoma. So any storms that develop here should make it down to in Oklahoma late tonight and into tomorrow morning. That's the plan, okay? But the main core of the jet is still well to our north, that's for sure. Okay, lows tonight. 60s in the far north. How about 70s for just about everybody else? Winds mainly out of the southeast tonight. And for now, overnight tonight, I think we're going to be fairly quiet, but early tomorrow morning, we're going to bring in that chance for showers and thunderstorms into northern Oklahoma. All right. And then by tomorrow afternoon, about noon on, right now, the plan is to have a complex of storms leave northern Oklahoma, come into the metro, and then push into southern Oklahoma. Right now, I'm giving it about a 40% chance of that occurring, okay? So it's not zero and it's not locked in that it's going to happen, but we're going to try to bring that complex from north to south, coming into the metro, possibly about midday, about noon. And then later in the afternoon and tomorrow evening, could see a few more thunderstorms into western Oklahoma. So my storm zone tomorrow, I actually have two of them. In the morning, into the afternoon, from northern into central Oklahoma with some wind and hail, and then out west, late tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. So two areas tomorrow. Not really a tornado threat. No, just a wind and hail threat. Quite a bit of lightning and thunder with those storms. Highs tomorrow in the 80s. We'll see some 90s back out west. So tomorrow shouldn't be as hot as where we were today. All right, 90 forecast. Right now, we'll carry that chance for storms tomorrow at a 40% chance. Hope it goes up. High of 88, 92 on Friday. The weekend right now, hot and dry, low 70s for lows. And next week, still looking fairly hot, looking fairly dry, and looking, I would say June, but this is our wettest month of the year, and so far it's not looking too wet. Hopefully tomorrow works out. We'll bring that stuff in right now. It's over Goodland, Kansas, and bring it in here tomorrow morning into the afternoon.
Okay, make sure you wake up about 4 a.m. for the very latest.
Jed and Robin will be there. They'll be fired up.
Fantastic.
You'll be up too.